Welcome guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Guys, good news about the Meta King price is almost up to 18%, and it's good news for the Meta Kings holders. Guys, those who have purchased the Meta Kings token before 1 week or the before 2 days, they are almost in a good profit. Guys, I will tell you where how you can earn easily the free airdrop of the Meta Kings tokens. Here you see the recent profit of the Meta Kings is almost $149, and I will win this profit with the airdrop. I win a lot of airdrops of Meta Kings and with the referral links. So you guys, you can also earn the Meta Kings tokens here also by applying on my referral link, and you can invite your friends with this Meta Kings airdrop to win this token. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can win the Meta Kings airdrop easily and how you can apply for this airdrop. Guys, you see here the live marketing of the Meta Kings price today is the $0.62, and with the 24 hours trading volume of $25,191, and we update our the Meta Kings to the USD price in the real time. Here you see the Meta Kings is up the 20.49% in the last 24 hours, and the current price of the market cap ranking is 5176 on the number in the live market cap is not available now. Guys, the circulating supply is not available now, and with the Meta Kings is a and powered by the universe. With anyone you can earn rewards such as the token and the NFTs through the competitive gameplay and the contribution to the ecosystem. Guys, in this players can engage in the combat and the gather resource, develop their characters, and their establish their own land-based kingdom. Guys, let's start how you can apply the free airdrop. Link I will mention in the description. You can follow my link and apply for the airdrop easily. Many friends are facing issue how to claim the airdrop of Meta Kings tokens. I have a solution. I have already provided the solution to my friends. Here you must go to my channel and watch my latest video. It's a 12-minute video. In this video I will teach you how you can claim your Meta Kings airdrop and win the airdrop easily. I guide here in step by step, and follow all the steps. You must win your airdrops like I win the airdrop. Here you see I have earned $149 almost within a 1 day. Guys, you can also win this airdrop. Guys, for applying you must open the Trust Wallet app or the MetaMask wallet. I have Trust Wallet account, mostly I'm using Trust Wallet. So for this you must go to the apps button and then click on the search bar. Here it's the MetaKing dot ai slash bu buy. I will mention this link in the description, don't worry guys. Here you must select here on top Binance Smart Chain address, then this website will open and that this interface will appears. Guys, first of all you must connect your wallet. Here select, just click on the connect button. Here when I connect my button, here you see I have already connected with my Trust Wallet with this website. Here you see here I have 16 people total invited airdrop, and I'll almost win here the point 0.00002 BNB. Here is a my logo. So for applying you must see here. Here you first you see here the how to apply for the pre-sale. Here you must select here the amount of the BNB you want to spend. Here you must click on the buy pre-sale, then enter the amount of BNB. Let's suppose I want to spend 1 BNB. Here I will receive 50,000 Meta Kings token with the 1 BNB. If I will spend zero point 0.5 BNB, then 25,000 MetaKings tokens will I receive in the pre-sale. Here the select the payment method, it's already been on the BNB Smart Chain. You must have BNB in your Trust Wallet in order to apply for the pre-sale. So let's check here the buy and so the confirmed transaction is appearing. Let's wait for a while. Here you see the smart contract call is executed. Here you see how much fees will be spending. It's nothing guys, $2.35 with the 0.5 BNB or the zero point 0.1 BNB or the 3 BNB. How much you want to spend, it's up to you. Maximum total will be spending here $263 with this purchasing of 25,000 MetaKings tokens. I don't have recent amount of this token, so I will not purchase in front of you. Here I will guide you how you can win the airdrop. Guys, click on the get airdrop options and then begin the airdrop task. Here guys, here you see that airdrop tokens are automatically sent to your wallet within a 24 hours after all your tasks have been verified by our team. Guys, you must follow the instructions here. Click on the begin airdrop. Withdraw successfully. Your withdraw have been successfully sent to your wallet. To earn more MTK, please invite your friends. Guys, I have already applied for the airdrops. I have make a video here. You see, go to my channel and you see here my latest video of 12 minutes, and you must watch this video how you can win the airdrop, how you can apply the airdrop. And please guys, follow all the instructions in order to win the airdrop. You can easily earn the maximum dollar as much as you can. At last, please guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update of the MetaKings airdrop. And you, I wish if you win the airdrop, and you must invite your friends and must invite your family and friends in order to receive the maximum rewards. Thank you guys for watching. I will mention in the description link, the invite link, where you can follow me and invite your maximum friends with my link. Thank you.